East Croydon, that's the one we'll be getting off. So this is actually part 10 of this train journey, which is also known as the final part. So this is the last video that we'll be recording on this train.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to London Bridge. The next station is East Croydon.
East Croydon, that's the last one. Wow, I just saw a train, but this one's going the other way. Wow, what a spooky tunnel that one was.
We are now approaching East Croydon.
Wow.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Already? We weren't even 1.5 minutes in. This is the real shortest one. Or will it be the shortest one for real? Oh, what a dark tunnel this one is. But this will be the last one. Once again, it's on both sides. Wait, I just saw another train go by, or I just seen another train go by for some reason.